Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Range Rover Sport. First of all, from any screen, click the nav. You've got destination entry there at the top. It's a touch screen. Postcode's the easiest. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton Le Dale, Preston, PR. We now have to go to numbers, which it's defaulted to automatically. 4. Gone back to letters. J. Where's the S gone? Ah, there we go. So that's Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton Le Dale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and then click OK, and then we have to click Go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
From any screen, click the phone button. You see there Barry's iPhone 10, delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 10, yes. That's it, gone. I'll now show you how to pair a mobile phone to the Bluetooth system in the Range Rover Sport. First of all, make sure Bluetooth is on. There we go. See if it picks anything up from any screen. From the home menu, just click phone, and you'll see there's no phones in here already, so it says search new, and it's also showing up hands-free here, but search new. Vehicle to device, device to vehicle. Vehicle to device is usually easier because it generates a code. I'm actually on a car park and it's picking up other people's, but here we go. Barry's iPhone 10. That's it. To pair and connect phone, enter 7856 on handset. 7856, pair. Allow contacts and favourites. I won't, because I won't be using this, but you will, so I'm going to click don't allow there, but you would allow. It's connecting to my phone here. Phone connected. Another great thing with this the system in this Range Rover, it's not in all, but you see there it's already gone on to, if I go on to iTunes, click on something that's playing, you'll see here at the bottom there's a red triangle and 3 red circles. It says Range Rover Sport, so it's already connected to the system. If for any reason it's not, and it's just turn that down a second. For any reason it's not and the tick's next to iPhone, just touch Range Rover Sport and then into audio video. If it's not already playing, which mine is, you just click on the My Music and you've got there a choice of CD, iPod, stored CDs, USB, or the choice which is highlighted, My iPhone there.